just let them know where we're heading at and what we're doing today.
Alright, so we're meeting some friends down by Chrome Avenue and 8th Street. Then we're heading towards Naples, Picayune State Forest. We're gonna hit up some trails. Never been there before.
Me neither.
I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun.
Oh my god, so I was just talking to myself and I just realized we need to fill up. Baby, you're driving empty.
Yeah,
we like to be on empty. So we get speed it up and fill up. Don't run out of gas.
It's too early for me. Just woke up 10 minutes ago and I had to rush to get out of the house.
Yeah, no, and I woke up and I made myself, the first thing I did was just make myself coffee. And that's just already.
I set the alarm, I get her up in the morning, so I don't have to wait for 3 hours for her to get ready.
No, he didn't have to wait today, but he woke up because I woke him up late, so it's like, strike number one. It's okay.
Friends that I'm meeting today, I've known since I was 16, over 20 years ago, so. And we haven't hung out in a while. They bought a Jeep, customized it to take it off-roading, so finally they want to take some trails. They gave me a call. I was excited. Now today's here.
Yay, it's finally here.
I can't wait to see them have fun today. Alright, so we just fueled up, met our friends. Now we're heading to Picayune State Forest. We don't know where we're going yet, but as soon as we get there, we'll figure it out.
Yes. And another thing that we also did, it was a beautiful day, so he decided to take the roof out,
So we got about another 30 minutes left before we get close and figure out what trails we're gonna hit. For you, it'll probably be less than a minute. Wow, look at that iPad. Let me see what you got there. Wow.
Show me. Let me see. What are you going to show me,
Let me see what you got.
It's on internet.
Yeah.
It's on internet.
No, oh no, internet. No internet.
Look, put your hand in, look. Woohoo! Yeah, not there.
I don't think this is the right thing to do. Where are my sunglasses?
Should we put the roof back on?
Or should we just ride out with the roof?
And get dust in the car. What do you think?
I don't know. Paper, scissors, rock. Rock, scissors, paper.
Who's staying inside?
Okay, if I win, we put it back on because I'm part of pooper. Not really, but if I win,
you're leaving that off.
okay, we're leaving. Alright, fuck it. I won though.
You won? I thought you were the party pooper.
I was gonna take the crown no matter what.
of nowhere.
Working out through a GPS.
Never been here before?
An off-roading map. Pretty cool how
Yeah.
technology can actually help you nowadays. We downloaded this app, and it kind of gives you like all different trails and state road and all that where you're trying to head out. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it gives you trails to go on.
You might put the link in.
But I like just to drive and see where I end up. I like to get lost and find my way out.
Did you get lost with me, baby? Did you find yourself?
I got lost with Instagram. Where we're at?
All right, so right now we are. Let me see if I can spell this or say this properly. Fakahatchee. No, mentira. How do you say
Really?
that? Oh, so how do you say it?
Fakahatchee.
Oh, Fakahatchee.
Fakahatchee.
Fakahatchee Strand. I'm sure it sounds more like Fakahatchee Strand Preserve State Park. How will Alexa say? Alexa, say Fakahatchee Strand Preserve State Park.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, just shut up. Okay, so over there, somewhere there,
Yeah, so we're in the middle of everything.
and then I don't know.
And then we're trying to find a trail that goes into Picayune.
Well, no, not fine because we're on the trail that's gonna take us there.
Well, we don't know if it ends there because there was a border on the other one.
As far as I can
There's a
see
border.
through the map, it's gonna take us directly there.
Oh, because the map says it? The map said you could go that way, but there was a border. There was a gate.
The map never said you could go there, sweetheart.
It's a road that you can walk, but where we're going is the right place. We're good.
Are you confident with
You
that?
guys want me to give you some extra?
Are you confident?
Super confident. Trusting myself with Google services. So just to give you a heads up of what we're dealing with, we are at a 9 feet elevation and our current speed is 18.9 miles per hour.
And our phone's getting dusty. And our car is getting dusty
I am
because we
getting
have
dusty.
the top open.
I'm getting dusty. Me. That's okay though. I like getting dusty.
Oh, really, sweetheart?
So, quick update. We made it through the route that we're supposed to go through, but there's a gate, and the gate is closed with the big lock. So we can go through it. So we're just gonna find another way to make it to the Picayune State Park somehow. Hopefully we get the road. And yeah, it's just we're supposed to go through there, but it's locked. And Tony, come here. Here, turn your car off. Hear that?
Heavy, be careful.
Yes. Is that an alligator?
Yeah.
You hear that?
Well, it's definitely an alligator.
Want some oranges? Because I got for everybody. Great day. What's today? I'm having so much fun driving this little Jeep through here. Ooh. We had here like how many hours we had?
Been here for like maybe 4 hours, 5 hours.
It was super cool. I hope you guys enjoy the little scenic views that we were able
With
to.
the drone for my first time.
Drone, yes.
That's a lot of fun. First time here at Picayune Park with my friends that are back here that I haven't seen in a long time. I'm glad they came. Join me today. Liseth and Axel. But I hope you enjoyed the ride.
Yes, guys.
Thank you for riding with AGZ,
Remember,
which is us.
join us every day in our adventures. Please subscribe, comment below. We would like to hear from you.
That way you can see our next adventure.
Yes.
Or maybe you could join us on the next adventure.
I like that.
You got an off-road vehicle? Jet ski, airplane? I'm down to
Let's
ride.
ride out.
Let's just ride. Let me know.
Bye, guys.